Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, we'll discuss one question under Halsey and Rowan plan of wage system where we are required to find out job cost of a particular job. A worker takes 6 hours to complete a job under a scheme of payment by result. Here first line of the question says worker takes 6 hours. 6 hours means here it indicates actual time taken by worker to complete a job. Payment by result. Result means here they are talking about performance. Payment by result means payment will be done as per the efficiency. Efficiency in what terms? Efficiency will be in relation to standard time allowed to do a particular job and actual time taken by worker. It will be compared. If worker has taken lesser time than standard time, then he will be given incentives, he will be given higher rate of wages as compensation for time saved. The standard time allowed for the job is 9 hours. Here they have given standard time allowed for a job, that is 9 hours. We have discussed that worker has taken 6 hours. That means there is time saved 3 hours. His wage rate is rupees 1.5 per hour. Here wage rate is given on hourly basis 1 rupee 50 paise per hour. Material cost of the job is rupees 16. Here they have given other information of direct cost, that is material cost of job is rupees 16. The overheads are recovered at 150% of the total direct wages. So overheads recovery is based on 150% of direct wages. Calculate the factory cost of job under Rowan plan and Halsey system of incentive. Standard time allowed to complete job. Standard time allowed for the job is 9 hours. A worker takes 6 hours to complete a job, that is actual time taken is 6 hours. Time saved is equal to time allowed minus time taken. So time saved in this case is 3 hours. Now we'll compute earnings based on this time saved under Halsey plan. As per Halsey plan, formula is earnings is equal to hours taken multiplied by rate plus half multiplied by time saved multiplied by rate. His wage rate is rupees 1 and 50 paise per hour. This is the rate they have given in the question. Hours taken, actual hours taken 6 hours multiplied by rate 1 rupee 50 paise plus half multiplied by time saved, that is 3 hours multiplied by rate 6 multiplied by 1.5 is 9 rupees. Half multiplied by 3 multiplied by 1.5, it is 2.25. So it will be total wages rupees 11 and 25 paise as per Halsey plan. Let us compute now as per Rowan plan. Time wages we can calculate. Hours taken 6 hours, rate 1.5, 6 hours multiplied by 1.5, it comes to 9 rupees plus time saved 3 hours, time allowed 9 hours multiplied by hours taken 6 hours multiplied by rate 1.5. If we solve this, we get 3 rupees. So as per Rowan plan, wages of worker comes to 12 rupees. We are required to now compute factory cost of job under Halsey and Rowan plan. We are preparing computation under both the methods. Material cost of the job is given 16 rupees and they have said that overheads are recovered at 150% of total direct wages. Under both the plan, we are required to take material cost same. Direct wages, that is labor cost. Under Halsey plan, it is 11 rupees 25 paise. Under Rowan plan, it is 12 rupees. Overheads are recovered at 150% of total direct wages. It means overheads will be calculated based on direct wages. In case of Halse plan, it is 11 rupees 25 paise multiplied by 150%. In case of Rowan plan, it is 12 rupees multiplied by 150%. Under Halse plan, overheads 16 rupees 0.88 paise. In case of Rowan plan, it is 18 rupees. We'll add now all these expenses to arrive at factory cost. Thus, we have calculated total cost under Halse plan as well as Rowan plan. It can be seen that under Halse plan, it is 44 rupees 13 paise. Under Rowan plan, it is 46 rupees. It means wage calculation as per Rowan plan, incentive is more, so that is going to be more costly for the manufacturer, but for employees point of view, Rowan plan seems to be better. Thanks for watching this video. Stay in tune with Ekeeda and subscribe to our channel Ekeeda. Thank you.